Not going to keep you long today. Bit of mac and cheese, or in my case penne and cheese sauce. Just really simple, delightful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started. Look, 4 tablespoons of butter that I'm melting in this pot. Now what you're going to need is to have this on a nice low heat. We're going to go low all the way. Not a simmer, but just slightly above a simmer. So as that butter melts, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of plain flour. And we're going to be working this in, and we're going to be cooking this away for around 3 or 4 minutes. Now what you need to do is do not skip this part, otherwise your sauce is going to taste the flour. You need to kind of cook it out a little bit. It will darken a little bit in color. Keep it moving all the time. I'll be back then. Okay, that's beautiful. Really important part of this process. Now I've got here a litre of milk, but we're going to start to add it slowly. We're going to do it by eye. So we're going to get some of the milk in and mix. And you'll see that as the milk heats up and mixes with the flour, it will get thick. I mean, it's going to be too thick here, but then what we're going to do is keep adding milk, and you get it to the consistency that you like. You can see that go there as the milk's gone through there. So we're going to add some more milk. Now while I'm here, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper and a couple of nice pinches of nutmeg. Okay, so stay on this lowish heat, keep it nice and low still. Let's work this in. And by the way, if you're using a wooden spoon in here, what I find is this is gonna kind of be lump free if you just keep stirring and stirring. Don't worry about any lumps, they'll all come out. And you can see again, that's too thick for us, isn't it? Let's go with more milk. Let's go for about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring all the time, and let's see what that consistency looks like. That is absolutely beautiful. I mean, is that a good consistency? I'm quite happy there. So in that case, I've used 750 ml of milk. You could put the whole litre in there for sure. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to add some cheese. I've got about 2 cups of cheese here. I'm using a mozzarella. We're going to pop that in. We can turn the heat off now. We can stir that in. That'll just blend in and melt, and we've got ourselves a beautiful cheesy creamy sauce there. So the heat's off. Now I'm just going to get my pasta in there. I've got 5 cups here of cooked penne. You can use any pasta you want. We're just going to give that a little mix. Then we're going to get it into oven dish. So get your oven on, get it on really hot, full blast, maximum heat. We're just kind of bringing this together. I'm using glass, you could use ceramic, you can use metal. Got some pepper jack here. You can use a cheddar or something like that if you want. Gonna just give that a little sprinkle over. Nothing too crazy. And that's just gonna go into a preheated, nice hot oven, just for like 10 to 12 minutes, you know what we're looking for, nice kind of golden brownness. Beautiful stuff, nice and easy. 10 to 12 minutes, really hot oven. I mean, all ovens are different. You know what we're looking for, don't you? Look at that, absolutely beautiful, really easy. Bit of mac and cheese or pasta and cheese sauce. Hope you enjoyed that, keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.